Stop using virtual environment. There's better way to manage Python projects. Why it's frustrated? Manual dependency management, no log file, version mismatch, hard to share environment in teams. We should use pipenv or portrig. I have generated a requirements file in my projects, and here is packages and its version. First of all, we will use pipenv shell command. It will generate our environment. If it's already generated, then it will activate it, and here is my environment activated. Then we will use simple pip install requirements.txt, which is generated already. It will install our all the packages which is done in our requirements, and it will generate a pip file, and its version will be declared in pip file. It's easy to use,